what I'm talking about. God loves me, bro. I love embracing my crazy, okay? Thank you, Kai. Good morning. Hey y'all, today is a waterfall day. It don't look exactly like it's gonna rain. I just asked ChatGPT if the two waterfalls that have the same name are within walking distance, because we'll try to get to both. The second waterfall is like a hike. The first waterfall is not too much. Okay, so yeah, they're within walking distance. So I'm gonna attempt to go to both, because I just read briefly that it say that it's like a just gotta put in some effort. But I know for sure the first one is easy to get to and you can swim. The second one is not so easy to get to. It's a steep hike, but it has like a nice overlook of either the jungle or Koh Samui. I forget which one they say, but it's kind of like a little pool. Only 1 or 2, 3 people could fit in it. But yeah, so we're gonna do that today. Initially I had picked out shorts and bathing suit and stuff, but actually I want to cover my arms and my legs because your girl has been very itchy lately, and I think it's coming from the sun. I think it's coming from me being pretty dry. So I'm gonna lotion up, oil up, and all of that today, but I want to make sure that my body is covered, and then I'll have my bathing suit under whatever it is I decide to wear. But yeah, let's get it, let's go. Let's attempt to make some instant coffee. Let's try this. Oh, just smelling it, I know it's gonna be strong. I'm in the mood to listen to music this morning, so my videos can't be too long, but we finna enjoy our kiwi. So my girl just pulled up. My girl Bo. Housekeeping. I did enjoy my coffee, so I ended up getting more. So what I did was 1 coffee, 2 creamers, and 2 sugar. It was good. So let's see how many more coffees I can make. Well, I can always ask for more, but try not to be too bothersome. Next clip, you're more than likely going to see me on the back of a motorcycle. So yeah, see you then. Okay, we stopped here. I ended up getting a mango smoothie. So, oh, it looked like he's finna make me put on this daggone helmet. Okay, it's time to head to the waterfall. These interactions with the elephants, you can ride on them, but okay, so like maybe a month or so ago I ran across a video on TikTok, and it basically said that like animals in the zoo have this repetitive movement because they're enclosed and captured, so their body is just like, I don't know, I don't know, it just, this movement comes about, whether it's like nodding or whether it's moving back and forth, and that comes from, you know, being enclosed for so long and not in their natural habitat. So when I was walking over here before this family started feeding it, it was like nodding its head, like just standing in one place, nodding its head. I forget what the name is called. If I remember to, I will pull it up on what exactly it is. But it was so sad to walk over here and see before they started feeding it. But yeah, it's such a small space for this big animal, and I just felt so bad. Like, look how big that cage is. That's not even big enough for a horse. Like, what? They barely can move back, and I don't know, it's just really sad. I thought by the time that I came over here, like by the time that I visited the waterfall, being that a lot of people are against this behavior, that they would no longer be here. But what was I thinking? Because some tourists actually do enjoy it. They have all these shops here before you actually enter. I'm gonna try to find me some bug repellent because that's what I didn't get. So Adi, hi. You have bug spray?
Mosquito spray.
Mm-hmm.
Spray yung.
Okay. Kapag ka. Oh, this way. Only big one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I got my bug spray. Now we off. I don't know where I'm going. I'm following the crowd. This lady, the crowd. Okay, this is the big one. I actually want to get in and swim. I'm trying to figure out how people got that way. People are all the way on the other side. I know they ain't walked through this. Did they walk through this? We're about to see. I guess we're walking through this. Ooh. This not like sticky waterfalls, so I gotta be careful. Oh my goodness. We're doing great. Wow. This is cool. Ooh, I was worried about snakes because I've visited a waterfall before and seen a snake, but oh well, they belong here. Just as much as me. Okay, we made it. I'm gonna put some bug spray on. I don't think I'm gonna record getting in because I'll be leaving my phone unattended, so I think I'm gonna just go for it. It seems so deep. Oh my God. This man making me nervous. He clenching onto the rock and got this girl in his hand. Oh my God. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. It made me nervous. Oh, Jesus. And the little girl she just a smiling. She don't know she's finna drown. Jesus. I hope it's not. I need to take my time because, oh my gosh. They just put that stick in there and they go all the way down. So I think I'm good. It's a wrap over here. My skin. Baby, my skin. It just looked like where I was itching these last couple of days. It's like swelling up. This was cute. This was fun. You could jump off the rock from here or you could jump off the rock from there. It is pretty deep everywhere aside from like right where my fingers pointed. It's like a rock in the middle. But otherwise, all of it is at least 5 feet deep. Okay, that was cute. I'll probably come back after I visit the second one. But if not, I still had a ball. So, let's go find... First, I'm going to go to the bathroom and then I'm going to find for the second one. This is an easier place to swim because it's not that deep. The waterfalls right there, and this is like the baby pools. Yes, I'll come back after my hike. Hike waterfall.
Number 1.
2.
2. The main road left side.
To the
2 kilometers.
2 kilometers. Main road straight, make a left. You see? Okay. Kapuka. I'll be back. Okay, let's go. I don't know why I didn't just pull out my phone and use the GPS. God loves me, bro. I love you so much. The next waterfall was a 45-minute walk, and I was willing to take it because they said the taxi service was gonna be 200 baht. It was 200 baht to get here, and the waterfall only around the corner. So, and mind you, my place is like 30 minutes away from here, and that was 200 baht. You do the math. Out of here. Literally right here. We just left from right there. Y'all probably ain't seen that, but still, so close. He said about 30-minute walk. So let's get it. I'm down for the get down. I was not prepared. We only like 3 minutes in. This hill gets steep. I thought I would be walking in the woods, but without a tour guide, I don't know where I'm going. Beautiful, beautiful. Whew. They got about 10 minutes. They lied to me. GPS said we got 10-minute walk. Thank you, because I was not prepared. The way that road is set up, that is so steep. I'm glad that's not the road we going down. I mean, going up. Because, baby, I probably would have turned around. That road go like this. I promise you. I promise you. Not like this. Like this. What? Oh, I'm officially crazy. I love it. I love embracing my crazy, okay? Thank God. Thank God. I always gotta be sure to read the daggone caution. But I don't see anything I'm super aware of. I need to be super aware of other than be careful. Okay, safety. Wow. Wow. Let's get it. This dog need to go. Go ahead, boo. Boo boo. Go ahead. Come on. Go ahead, boo. Come on. Go. Can you excuse me? Thank you. Wow. All right. Thank you. Ay, Dios mío. It's a little pool area right here.
What happened yesterday is when she was doing my
This dog. Wow. Wow. This is a hike, baby. This is what you call a hike. I wish I had my dog with me. Or my sister dog. Tim Tim. He would love this. Somebody live here. Somebody live in that tree house. That's what's up. That's what's up. I'm loving that. I gotta go up those stairs in a second, but I wanted to take a peek over here before I go. Is those water slides? What the heck? Oh, that's the that's the restaurant. And then this is a small waterfall. Okay. Oh, a butterfly. I just spoke to some folks that was coming down. They said I got about 15, 20 more minutes. And it gets steeper. Steeper than this. It must be an amazing view. It must be an amazing view. So, I think this is the last time I'm going to take out my phone. It has rope to assist you on the way up. It gets steep, y'all. So that's it for me. You'll see me when I'm all the way up. Alright. I made it. Oh my gosh. I'm shaking. That was tough. That was tough. I don't even know how I'm getting back down. They have a little pool here. I don't know if that's the one where people said they overlooked this view. But I overheard somebody said they had something even further up, so they might have redirected it. It looks like there's room to walk further up. I'm tired. I don't think I'll be walking no further. But I see another waterfall that way, so we'll go check it out in a second. There's fishies in here. Because there's no water flow, I don't want to get in. But I'll go over.
There's more of a waterfall
Take a
further down
picture.
here. There's a bunch of people sitting in the water.
made it to the second part. Now that, I don't know if you're supposed to come over here because there is no direct path that leads you this way, but I feel good. I have to play some music and relax. Maybe cry. Come with me over there. Okay, so I originally came from this way, and then someone shared that you can get down that way too. But when I went that way, I didn't see much of a path, so I'm gonna go back the way I came. This is the way I came. All up under here. I think most people take this route. Meet you back down there. Okay, I'm taking a new route. So here is the bar, and I seen some water slides, so I wanted to go see them. But this is the route I had came before. So the people I was following, they went down that way because they came from this way. So we swapped paths. They said just get across these rocks and then go to the bar, and then there's just gonna be pavement. So that's the way I'll be taking. All right, here's the pool. That looks fun. What their price is looking like. Mango smoothie, 80 baht. So if I would have listened to the other folks and went the opposite way when I was up high, then I more than likely would have made it to this paved area. They got another waterfall. They start right there. Oh wow, they go further. They go further. Wow. This is a great day. I'm gonna go back to the house, get dressed, and I'm debating if I want to make today the day that I go on my special dinner instead of my last day. So we'll see when I get back. Bathroom ideas for my house I built. Thank you, Kai.
I cannot turn around. But...
No, you're good. He's doing great. And his friends, I think that's them. I met Kai at the waterfall on a hike. This is the one who told me to go the opposite way, and he said that it wasn't that pleasurable.
It was horrible.
It was horrible. We're back at Fisherman Village. Kai did a great job.
Thanks.
Took care of the precious cargo. Haven't been to this beach, but this is the beach that's like right across from where I stay, where my Airbnb is. It's called
I don't know the pronunciation.
Boput, something like that.
Or Boput.
Oh, maybe P-H-U-T, whatever you want to say, P-H-U-T. So this is the beach for that, and I haven't been over here. And they have hotels. I haven't walked this far. So grateful for Kai. So we're about to go have a drink. I think I'm gonna get something to eat. Yeah, and enjoy the night. It's about to be sunset time. We're going to, what is it called? Easy on Tam. It looks fancy. It looks fancy. Kapungka. Beautiful. Okay, I think I see something I might like. Maybe the pork sticks.
Recommend cottage. Professionally cheap and the duck version is really good.
So then we'll try these two you recommended.
Alright. Professionally cheap, one duck version.
Yes,
What did
thank
you say?
you.
Alright, so be right back.
Kapungka. Hey, we got pork and sticky rice. Kapungka. Ooh, and then the sticky rice is in here. Kapungka. Oh wow, that looks yummy. Thank you so much. Gonna cheers. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Both of them are great.
Whatever you like.
Lychee it is. I'm so happy. I'm about to eat. We got pork sticks and sticky rice. This is chili sauce, but I don't need it. I don't need that. How is it? It's spicy. Did you put it in the sauce? Oh my gosh. I thought we talked about this. We already knew that was too much. Okay, I'm about to try the chili sauce with.
I don't think that works.
Where they didn't need your card. Got a little bit. I'm glad I only got a little bit. Oh my god. That is spicy. What happened?
That's not even 30 francs in Swiss francs.
So it's inexpensive. Hide and went in the water, y'all. Oh, there you go. Meanwhile, wow. Meanwhile, we're doing the fire show. Yeah, I can feel it. It's like it's I missed it.
Seen that?
I missed it. I missed it.
I would definitely look absolutely fascinating if you're hallucinating.
Look, I think I got the very end. Oh, if you're hallucinating or some shrooms or something. the paper. Okay.
We don't
He
know.
insists that I try this vanilla bun. I wasn't able to get the custard. It's good. It's a dessert. Oh, you can't smell it. You can't smell it. The taste is not in the smell. And I'm usually a smeller, but no. You just have to bite it. It's a bread with no flavor.
You know merang?
No, is that candy?
Yeah. Egg white, sweetened, stirred, whipped till it is foam
That sound like that.
and then just cooked.
Yeah, that's what that sounds like. Ooh la la. I'm eating wheat, lamb and beef. Okay, yes. What is that?
Sajiki. You go.
Tzatziki.
What is it?
Like a yogurt sauce.
No.
Gale mayo.
Yes, a little bit. Okay, what's this?
Spicy ketchup.
Spicy ketchup? Spicy ketchup?
Little bit spicy.
Is this tomato?
Yeah, little bit. Yeah.
No.
I would try a little bit on the finger.
No tomato for me.
Thanks. You will handle that.
Huh?
You will handle that.
No tomato.
No tomato.
No tomato. I didn't put any sauce, but let's see.
Words up there in that tree.
There's no way. There's no way. That wig is hanging on there. This is a beautiful, beautiful night. Thank you, Kai. Oh my gosh. Calling it a night. It's great. Toodaloo.